Today I'm going to show you how to transform this disgusting corroded bathtub drain into a brand new looking drain with stopper using this Watco NuFit glue-on drain cover. Now some people try to remove the old drain with a drain removal tool or pliers, but they rarely work, especially on badly corroded older pipes. This entire transformation process takes only about 5 minutes. Step one is using rubbing alcohol to clean off the old tub drain. Just pour some rubbing alcohol on a rag and wipe it down good. Next, I use a 180 grit sandpaper to remove the corrosion and rough up the surface a bit. Now I give it one more wipe to remove any dust, and I'm ready to apply the adhesive. Now, in the Watco kit, there was a small container of white silicone glue. The issue is, I don't think they provide enough silicone. I had one drain cover pop off after only a few years. I use my own supply of 100% silicone sealant. As long as it's 100% silicone, it'll work fine. I apply a heavy bead of silicone around the bottom of the Watco drain. I smooth it off with one finger. Now, I'm going to go ahead and pull it off so you can see how little silicone transferred to the top of the old drain. This would have not stuck very well and would have likely come off within a few months or a year. You want to apply a bead of silicone to the top of the old tub drain also. Now I press the Watco NuFit drain cover down onto the old tub drain. You will know you have applied enough silicone because the Watco drain cover will barely move. And a little silicone might even ooze out the edges. Any silicone that oozes out from the edges can be wiped off with a rag. If you notice some dried silicone later on, you can spray some WD-40 on it. WD-40 is liquid silicone and will dissolve dried silicone. The cost of the Watco NuFit drain cover and stopper is between $25 and $60, depending on the finish you want. I personally prefer the brushed nickel look. Now give it a few hours to cure, ideally overnight, and don't run any water over it until it's fully set. Now doesn't that look way better than the old drain stopper? I've placed a link in the show notes if you want to purchase one through Amazon. If you found this video helpful, please press the like and subscribe button. It really does help out my channel. And drop a comment telling me what other projects you'd like to see next. My name is Ed from Ed's DIY Handyman Show, helping you fix your home one simple project at a time.